I get asked this question a lot in the property management industry. People do not understand the back end of investment. When you are hiring a property management company, there's one thing you truly need to understand. You need to make sure that they understand the difference between an A, B, C class property. But not only that, what are they budgeting for your maintenance? A class determines something different, needs something different than a B, C, and D. And guess what? If you're not budgeting correctly, you're losing money on that deal. A class, that's a new build, new construction. You're gonna see probably a 5% maintenance that you need to budget for, but because maintenance actually increased about 40% after COVID, I'm seeing it increase to 5 to 7%. Your B classes, that's about 5 years old, a little bit older, you're gonna see that you need 7 to 12%. Your C class, you're going from 12 to 30% depending on, has it been upkept? Is there a lot of deferred maintenance? The reason why it's so important to actually budget this is so you don't have deferred maintenance. When you're an investor, you have to budget enough maintenance, otherwise you're gonna see a really big decline after 5-10 years. And you're gonna be like, why do I have so much maintenance? It's because you didn't spend the money up front. Maintenance is a key point to investing. Capital improvements are a key point to investing. When you invest in the stock market, what do? You put your money in a stockbroker, you give them money and they generate income for you. Sometimes there's losses, sometimes there's gains, right? When you're investing in real estate, you have the exact same thing. It should make you money overall if you buy right. But if you're not gonna do the maintenance on it, later on down the road, you're gonna see a big decline. And you're gonna see a lot of expenses going out. So make sure you budget accordingly from A, B, and C properties. Even if you invest in D and Fs, then you definitely need to budget a lot more. But make sure you budget your maintenance correctly and your expenses so you continually make money on your investments.